I love gardening, but here's a real life reason why gardening can be so important. After receiving an injury that required a trip to the ER and will result in surgery, I was able to go out into my garden when I couldn't go to the store and cook myself a delicious, nutritious meal. It goes to show that if you take care of a garden can take care of you. This is how my garden had my back. Thanks for watching. We've been gardening for 10 years, and if you'd like to see this summer how our garden is going to help us out when we need it the most, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you learned something new, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks again. We'll see you soon. Bye.